welcome back. So you guys haven't seen this familiar face in a while, and there's a reason for that. So lately we've been working on some new projects. We've been working on a new foundation for the channel and bringing some better content to the channel. What we did was we got a camera. We wanted to upgrade our quality. We felt like our quality wasn't good enough for us and what we like and our standards, so we got a new camera. And we've been working on some big stuff. I'm going to give you guys a walk around of the Miata. I know you guys haven't seen her in a while, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Still got to paint the body kit. So I really want to paint the body kit ASAP, honestly. I was going to paint the whole car, but I decided not to paint the whole car because we're going to be thrashing this car. We're going to be, drifting. We're going to be doing crazy content with this car, and I'd rather not spend extra money just to tear the car up, and I thought about that. So we're just going to get the body kit painted to match the car, and we need an LSD and roll bar, and we should be good to go for tune. And then we should be able to go 100% for street drive any day of the week, every day of the week. So as you guys just seen, everything that we got with the camera, exactly which camera we chose. One of the reasons why we chose this camera is because at the end of the day, we wanted to upgrade our camera, but we didn't want to go too crazy because we wanted to leave a budget for all the builds that we have. As you guys do know, we do have about 6 builds in motion right now, and we want to give all the builds our attention. But behind me, I want to show you guys one of the builds. It's the MB 2000 Miata, and here it is. We got the motor back out of it real fast. Just getting it a new oil pan. As you guys can see, J Fresh is right here. See the motor all fresh, everything's fresh. It was all ready to go. Some intercooler right here. We got some intercooler piping right here. 3-inch downpipe right here. We got the SRT4 right here. So quick update on that. Pretty much what's going on with this is that we dropped the motor off in February, but when we dropped the motor off, the shop had some emergencies that came up, so they weren't able to get to the motor right away, which was fine because we were doing a lot of other things at that time. Just recently we went down, we got everything squared away with the motor, and we should be getting that motor back about 2 to 3 weeks from now, and then that'll go off to my boy Jonathan, who is going to be rebuilding the motor and dropping the motor back in the car. So the SRT4 should be back very soon. They actually both should be back very soon. They've been in the garage chilling for now.
What's up? Back with another one, and we're going to lunch. We got this new camera. It's crazy. You see me now. You see everything now. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, we're gonna get some lunch, eat, discuss a few other things, but other than that, we're already gonna bring you along the way. We'll roll out, do a little lunch real quick. Until then, let's go. You know what it is. Yum. Head up.
Yeah.
Back up in this thing. Walking into Red Robin. Getting to the bag. Dear God, guys. They always got like a letter or something in the beginning.
Yeah, they got hella letters attached to
talk about it.
in this thing. So look, let me tell you what I like about Red Robin. What I like about Red Robin is I like the bottomless fries and I also like the Caesar salad.
Hi. Hello. Yeah. Cool.
I know.
Crazy, look at it. I'm about to fade in. Ooh. Fading.
It's that fire right there. You
Fire.
know, the egg on my shit today.
You gotta do it right. It's crazy.
Yes, sir.
You already know. Yeah, it don't make sense. Alright. We're out. Leaving Red Robin. Trying to get out the way. Parking lot going crazy. That was good. That was a good shit right there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna leave Red Robin. We're gonna get some more stuff. You know, we got a busy day ahead of us for tomorrow. The next few days, you're gonna see it. We're gonna catch you guys up. I know we've been gone, but guess what? We're back and better in action. So just be ready for it. Coming soon.
So we're here. We just left Red Robin. We had to stop by the Dollar Tree real quick and get some real necessities that we need. My boy is here. You see the Dollar Tree. Don't play yourself.
Never.
Comment down below if y'all shop at the dollar store, because I feel like a lot of people don't shop at the dollar store and they have a lot of shit that you really need in real life. Hold on, I gotta act like I'm not recording right now when I walk in here because I don't know how they feel about it.
Welcome to my life. You know, keep it. This is how we hang on, you don't walk too far out. This is how we stay conservative. So if you're not at the Dollar Tree, I really know you're fading out, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna fix that. So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna get what we need. We're gonna fade out that quick, that easy, for less. Let's go. Like I said before, if you're still using the liquid soap, you gotta stop. You gotta cut it out. That's why you're not winning today. So we need y'all to like amp up, do something. This is how you know you clean, because you know what? You really gotta work for it. With the liquid soap, it kind of like your efforts get a little low. So I know you're not clean, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna fix that. So like I said, you need to get the bars. This is where it's at. Go ahead, you know, find you a nice little bar.
They got different selection for y'all.
And guess what? It's only $1. 4 quarters. Change your life. Crazy. Cool.
So you comment down below if you shop at the dollar store, if you use bar soap or liquid soap. That's a big thing right now. Like he said, if you're using liquid, you're messing up. It's okay though. You got time to change. Go get you some bar soap from the 99-cent store for only $1, so you can keep your body really clean. If you're not ashy when you get out the shower, did you really clean your body? That's the question. In 2021, did you really clean your body? Now let's go. What else we need?
Oh yeah.
They got animal toys in here.
You know, for all you dogs out there, you can throw balls and stuff. You know what I mean?
Real life. That's the ball launcher.
The ball launcher, that's crazy. I'll fade in right here though, you know.
Oh yeah. Also, if y'all spending that money over at Walmart and y'all buying the expensive scrub pads, you gotta ask yourself, these are the same scrub pads that you would get at Walmart.
Yeah.
They're only $4. Recommended. Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, Dollar General, whatever dollar store you got in your city, comment down below what you got in your city. We got Dollar Tree, the 99-cent store here, and I think that's about it.
Dollar General.
Oh, and we got Dollar General here too as well. You see it. They even got the fire hand wash.
They do got fire hand wash.
Yes, they got real products like Lysol.
Chloride.
You just giving y'all a little rundown of a day in the life of us. We've been gone and distant for a while, so we wanted to step back in here and let y'all know we are back. We are recording every day, trying to get this content for you guys. Finally got the new camera. Hope you guys like the quality. I like the quality. It's gas.
Bro, LA totally awesome. Really up their game.
Yeah, totally awesome for getting the job done. I ain't even gonna lie. When I was little, they used to, my pops used to get that. And if you know, if you Hispanic, if you African American, you didn't use this before for sure. This is our little, smell good for sure, for sure. And they got multiple flavors. Got the passion fruit. Wow.
You got fire.
Shout out to Fabuloso. If you watch our videos, Fabuloso, holla at us.
Please.
We like to stay clean.
I'm trying to figure out.
But we're gonna hit y'all and let y'all know what our final items are when we get there to the checkout.
What's up? We're back. Got the new oil pan. We got the cleaning supplies. We're gonna bust it down right now. Unfortunately, with the Miata, I just wasn't satisfied with the oil pan, and especially how it was. I was having some issues and everything, so I just kind of decided to ditch the whole thing. We snatched the motor out the car. Then we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, disassemble the oil pan. I got new seals on the way. We're gonna redo it. We're gonna re-drill it. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be right. That's just gonna go ahead and take care of all that. So here's what we got for today. We got what we bought at the dollar store. We got the Rustline calcium. Boom. We have the Brio basics. Need those. Then just to get in there real quick, the copper scroungers, you already know. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do some light work with this. I don't want to make sure it tears up anything here, but other than that, we got a few brushes in the rack, so you already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and get to it. We're gonna throw you on a time lapse. That's it.
So right here, as you guys can see, he's been cleaning up the oil pan, getting all the dirt off. Highly recommend it.
Highly recommend for $1.
If you are close to a dollar store, we highly recommend you get the Rustline calcium. It's only $1 and it cleans like wonders. Also, we haven't even had to use the Brillo basic yet, or we haven't even had to use the scrub buddies at all.
So you can only imagine. You
can only imagine, like when you hit it with the spray, dirt just coming down. It's getting cleaner and cleaner as we go. So we're hyped about that, and we're gonna tune back in and show you guys when she's all cleaned up.
Alright, so we're gonna ahead, got it finished up. Pretty much, gonna go ahead and re-drill it. Then I'll get back in here and do some more. You already know, clean it up. But so far, she looks bomb. Like, can't argue with that. So, pretty excited, pretty happy. See, no cracks. My last one kind of looked like it was doing some cracking and stuff, and I didn't appreciate that. So, at least I know I got something reliable. It's gonna hold. And one step closer to completing the build. Like I said, we already turned it on. Starts up, sounds good. Now we just gotta make sure liquid doesn't escape, so we can go ahead and ensure that reliability.
So you guys got to see the clean oil pan. You guys also got to see us get lunch. We showed you guys the camera we got. Let you guys know what we've been doing since we've been gone. We are back full time, working hard, getting these builds out, as you guys can see. We're happy with the oil pan, the way it came out, and we're gonna have to drill and tap the oil pan, so we're excited about that. That's always fun. But you gotta let them know, boss.
We'll be back with another one. You guys already know how it goes. We just, like I said, had to do some other things, get it back together. Now we're here, new camera, new footage, new parts. We back on it, we back on our bullshit.
Let them know who does it best.
Only Cre8tiveGarage.
So with that being said, guys, drop a like, drop a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 4,000. We appreciate everybody tuning into our videos. We are back for good. Like I said, got the new camera, excited to keep filming. So stay tuned, stay blessed.